All right. Good day, everyone, whichever place you're watching this from, and whatever time you're watching this. So, first thing first, I would like to apologize if my voice is actually not loud enough, but from my end here, it's actually loud enough, and I don't want to disturb my neighbors because this is Tuesday, August 26, 2025. All right. So, and I've actually been occupied with lots and lots of things that have actually been holding me back from doing my tasks, like solving my tasks, submitting my tasks all this while. But I know it's every time I used to say I'm going to make sure to like stay ahead, but it's actually not as I planned. But let's see how much we can cover just for tonight alone. So let's see what we can cover. So let's leave the talk to talk and then do the work to work. All right, then once again, our biggest appreciation to our subscribers. We really appreciate you guys. All right, so that's it. Now we're going for Python. So I won't be wasting any much more of our time. Just skip to where we are, week 4. Alright, so to the quiz. Alright, Python OOP quiz. We have 5 questions to answer in 50 minutes and 30% pass mark. Wait, you've completed the quiz. Oh, wow, I can't actually remember when I did the quiz. Well, I guess we can still take the quiz again. So are we all ready to take the quiz? Either we're ready or not. Alright, so wait, let me confirm. I hope there's nothing like Python week 4. No, maybe I was solving it and something happened. Okay, I need to check. Oh yes, week 4. Python week 4 and assignments. Okay, we have Python week 4 and assignments already, so just going to head over to the dashboard. And then move to database, and then for week 4. Okay, so this is the database, week 4, and okay, handling null quiz. Alright, so instead we're going to be doing database design and programming with SQL quiz instead of the Python. Right, we're doing handling null, the handling, how to handle null, or database quiz. So, and then we have 5 questions or so, but this time around it's 15 minutes and 40% pass mark. So I'm very sure we're ready to go. Right, so let's start the quiz. Alright, so calculate returns. Wait, are you sure I haven't done this also? Oh, wait, okay. Alright, so what does the count function do in SQL? A, calculates the sum of values in a column. B, returns the average of values in a column. C, counts the number of rows that match a specific condition. And then D, returns the maximum value in a column. Alright, so whenever you're using the function count in SQL, it only has one function, and it is to count the numbers of rows that match a specified condition, in the sense that when you do select count, then in a parenthesis add an asterisk, maybe from a particular table, like maybe from students, and you can say maybe where age is greater than 12 or something thereabout. So that's how it just works. So let's move on. And then okay, I think it's different. Okay, the question 2 is convincing enough to tell me it's different. Question 2, which SQL clause is used to group rows that have the same values into summary rows? A, other by, B, group by, C, having, D, where. Alright, this is actually very cheap. The clause that you use to group rows that have the same value is actually group by. Alright, we are trying to group them. It says used to group, so it's actually selling itself. The question is selling it already. Alright, so then question number 3 says, when using the having clause in SQL, what is the main purpose? A, to sort data in ascending or descending order. B, to filter data after grouping it. C, to count the number of rows in a data set. D, to combine data from multiple tables. Alright, this is what when using the having clause in SQL. So when you use the having clause is when you're trying to filter like a data from a particular group. So when you filter data like after grouping it is then you use the having, like maybe having so greater than so or something thereabouts. So I think those are just like the basic, like the primary case when you actually use them, right? So we have question 4 says, how would you use the order by clause in SQL to sort results by a colon in descending order? How would you use the order by clause in SQL to sort results by a colon in descending order? A, select asterisk from table, order by colon, DESE. B, select asterisk from table, order by colon, ASC. C, select asterisk from table, order by colon. D, select asterisk from table, order by colon, filter, DELC. Now it says, how would you use the order by? So actually the order by is used correctly in everything here now, but then it says to sort results by a column in descending order. In descending order. So you actually might want to fall into the ends of this guy, but trust me, this is wrong. This is not the correct one. All right, this is the correct one here. Select from table, order by colon, then in descending order. All right, so and now for the last but not the least question. For the last question, which SQL function would you use to find the most popular pizza topping based on total sales? A, count. B, max. C, average. D, sum. This would actually even be easy to like just know in a single word, because it is sum, right? You want to get the total. I think wherever we see something like something that is something called total, for those of us that are good in math, whenever you see total, you know you're actually talking about sum, right? So let's see what we get at the end. Wow, I got 4 over 5. Over 5. View your answer. Which one did I miss? I got 4 over 5. Which one did I miss and why? Which one? The last one is no sum. What function would you use to find the most popular topping based on total sales? I don't understand. So what's the correct answer then? Like, with the most popular pizza, which SQL function would you use to find the most popular pizza topping based on total sales? A, count. B, max. C, AVG, average. D, sum. And since it's not sum, then which one is it going to be if it's not sum? I don't understand. It's supposed to be sum now, because counts actually counts rows, counts like counts how many rows, and it's actually just you can't use count to count the total sales now. Then max finds like the single highest value, so it's not like maybe it's even summing things up. Then average to calculate average, so it's not even relevant here. So sum adds all values, and then it's actually perfect for total sales. So I don't know why I missed this, but I don't know what else to ask you guys to pick, but picking sum is actually wrong. And if anyone gets the correct answer, kindly drop it in the comment section. I would appreciate. Okay, let's just say very satisfactory, even though I am not satisfied because I don't know what the answer is, and I'm surprised that I actually got it wrong. I'm supposed to get my assignment. Okay, do not create your own repository, blah blah blah. Complete the assignments in the CL to be provided in week 2. Right click. Okay, so let's go grab our assignments. Alright, we're going to skip this one away. Accept this assignment. So wait for our repository to be generated. So it's generated already, so I'm just going to click directly on it. Okay, so I have me in this particular page right here. So I have this page right here that I can work on. Okay, so apologies. Alright, so let me grab my repository link. I'm going to grab this real quick because I don't trust this battery. Alright, so and then I'm right clicking on this guy right here, and then new window. Okay, there's desktop there. Let's go into pick desktop. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this one is for the kids at the hub. This is the kids classwork today at the hub. Let me just close this. Close this. I'm going to open that later. Okay, so I'm here on desktop, and from here on my my git bash terminal, I'm going to clone my repository, create clone, and then right click. Then I've got this page like this. So what I'm going to do now is just grab everything, like pull in everything from the server. Okay, so and we're in. So what I'm going to look for now is week 4, because favor something. Okay, week 4. Okay, it's there. So I'm going to change my directory to week-4 and then enter. So making this a full screen. Alright, so I'm going to make this a full screen. And then what else? Let's list what's inside. I'm really feeling dizzy. Okay, so this is my readme code, readme.md. Okay, so we have it opened right here, and then I'm going to code answer.sql, and that's it right here, also empty. So I'm going to close the terminal for now. Let me zoom this in, then close this, and then get more space to zoom in. Alright, so now let's head right into the questions. Alright, so we have the first question. Write an SQL query to show the total payment amounts for each payment date from payment table. Alright. Then says display the payment date and the total amounts paid on that date. Okay, sort the results by payment date in descending order. Show only the top 5 latest payment dates. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to select payment. Wait. Okay, so it's modified. So I'm selecting payment date and selecting you from, and then I'm going to like sum you. Okay, so I'm going to sum you with the amount, and then let's say with the amount as a total of like the total amount. Okay, and then wait, I need to do something. What was I going to do again? Okay, yes, the downloads. Going to check if I have this downloaded already. So actually needed to be sure if okay, says the V is actually A. So I'm going to copy path. Going to copy as path and add back here, and then bring out this terminal, new terminal. Of this, still got this, and then say cd, right click. Wait, I can't use double quotes here. And aside from that, I don't know if it's used backslash or forward slash. No search file or directory. Okay. Okay, I guess I should just do it manually then. Okay, so I'm out. Cd root. Let's cd to the root. Alright, so from here, going to cd to c, and then cd to c. Let's see first. Okay, then cd to cd is going to remove the SQL. I guess that was the reason why I bumped into an error then. Why didn't I even notice? No. Supposed to give it its slash. That's what makes it know that user we're already in C, so I'm going to remove this, and still didn't work. Come on, are you kidding me right now? Like seriously? Okay. Oh, // okay. Then let's say code sale.sql. Alright, so it's here, and then I'm going to cancel this and then run. Let's just use any one of them. So enter, and okay, I've got everything up and running, so no errors. Alright, so let's see if this actually helps now. So I'm going to cut then say select. Okay, yes, I think I can see these things again. To confirm, select payment date. It's actually not suggesting anything more. That's the question 1. Write an SQL query to show the total payment dates for payments. Okay, then let me just continue. Let me continue from here. From no, still the same thing, right? So let's just say from payments. Yes, from payments. Then I can group it by, yes, group by payments date again. Yeah, payments date, and then I can order it by the payments payments date also, right? Yeah, payments date. So I'm sure it's actually can't have spacing, so GSC, because it's supposed to be in descending order, show only the top 5. Okay, then set the limit to 5. So we've got limit of 5. Okay, I guess that's it for number 1. Yeah, let's say question 2. Okay, so question, okay, let me add so question 2, write an SQL query to find the average credit limit of each customers from customers table. Then we now display the customer's name and average credit limit. Okay, fair enough. So first of all, to just find the average limit of each customers from customer table, Okay, that means we're going to display the customer name, country, and average credit limits. Okay, so in other words, we're going to do something like select then customer, right? Yes, select customer wait I don't wait. Wait wait okay, right. Yes, that's true. Payment date from what table again? Okay, from payments. This is products, employees, customer. Yes, payment dates. I'm correct, Joe. What was that error that was not popping up on my screen? Alright, you all should not mind what was popping up on my screen. Will you guys even be able to see it? Oh, I'm not sure. So if you can see it, don't just pardon the pop-up. That's pop-up. Don't know what the issue is. Okay, so what was the number 2 again? Aha, yes, I remember now. So we are trying to select our customer's name. All right, so we're trying to pick our customer's name, and then we're also trying to pick their country. So I like breaking things down. So let's just say it's as continuation. So we grab the country, and then we're asked to get. You remember when we were solving the quiz? Remember when we were solving the quiz, then we asked to get the average credit limit. So this is average, and it's going to have a parenthesis. So we're going to add our what credit limits here. So okay, it's here already. Credit limit. Alright. So I'm going to grab our credit limit and grabbing it as let's call it average. I hope I'm spelling this thing correctly. Average credit then limit. Okay, so where did we get it from here? Okay, from where are we grabbing it? Okay, from customers. From customers. Thank you. So and then guess that. Okay, group the results by customer's name and country. Okay, group by customer's name, comma, and country, and that's all. So we can go to the next one now. Let me add as usual. Okay, question 3. Write an SQL query to find the total number. Wait a minute. Wait, let me run this code. Okay, yes. I don't know why my mind is just asking me to run it to confirm if what I did was correct, but it is indeed correct. Run the second one, and then yes, it's correct. So alright, so now my mind can rest. Okay, question 3. Write an SQL query to find the total price of products ordered from order details table. Display the product code, quantity, order, and total price for each. this is okay. Let me just do the ones I can cram for now. This is to, so we're going to select the product code first. Okay, product code, and to get the quantity by order, right? To get the quantity okay, display quantity ordered. Okay, we have the quantity ordered. So, and then what? And then the total price. Okay, so this is where we use the sum. So I still wonder why I actually failed that quiz. I don't know. Quantity ordered. So it's going to be quantity ordered plus the price, right? Total price. Then so if we quantity ordered for like plus the price for each. So I'm going to call this price each, right? Then I can now say, let me make the distance because I want to create a new command. So from, was it order details? Okay, order details. Thank you. Order details. Then I can down group it by the results. Group the results by product code and quantity order. Okay, product code, comma, quantity order. Product code, comma, then quantity order, and that's it. I guess that's it, right? So run not active connection. Wow. Oh, sorry, quantity order. See, thank God I ran this. I've just pushed this. Okay, it worked. So quantity order, and yes, that's pretty much everything, right? So I guess we can. Oh, we have question 4. Here we write an SQL query to find the highest payment amount for each check number from payments table. Okay. To be honest, I'm very weak. Okay. So just going to select the check number. Select the check number. Thank you. Check number, and what was I supposed to get again? The highest. Okay, so highest max. So let's get amounts should be lowercase. So max amount. Then I'm getting it as the highest. Yep. I'm using it as highest payment. Alright. Then we have to grab it from payments. From payments. Yeah. Thank you. Then group by check number. Okay, pretty much easy. Check. Yeah, thank you. Check number it is. Then can close my and then run, and then it worked. Okay, so that's it for the database, and let's push this real quick and submit and then get going. So this again. Okay, so I'm going to cd roots again, cd OneDrive, desktop, Wk-4, enter. Okay, so I'm back to this place, and then now I can just do something pretty much. But looks like these guys brought the lights. Let me plug in this PC. Wow, that means I don't have to worry about the PC going out. So our light has been restored. This is wonderful. It actually came at the right time. Okay, so I don't have to worry anymore. Okay, so let's go crazy list. Okay, so I guess that's it. Then I can just place this at the left side, minimize, bring this up, then place you whichever way. So then I'm going to reduce this a little bit so we can see my commands. Alright, so here refresh to make sure we don't have anything here yet. And then it was given 3 weeks ago, so open my answer.sql, the new tab, and it's 0 bytes. Okay, so git init. Alright, git add. You don't actually have to add the git init, just doing that just to make sure. Git commit. Okay, I need to make this full screen. Git commit, and then I can do my initial commit and look for data database task. Okay, and then git push origin main. So okay, and then we are done. So you can just refresh this, and that's it. Our code is here, and then here also I can refresh this so we can have the commits in between. Okay, so and now this has changed, and here's my commits, initial commits. So I'm just going to grab this, copy, go to the PLP, finish assignment, submit, and yeah, that's it. That's pretty much everything. So thank you all for sticking around till the end of this particular one, and I hope to see you guys in the next update. Alright, so thank you also for your support on the YouTube channel, and yeah, that's it for this update.